Aviation Minister sees a swift growth pattern.
Once we reach 50-55%, that is when you get the confidence. The trend is good. जब हमने 25 मई को domestic civil aviation शुरू की थी, उस समय the first day we had 30,000. तो it went up very slowly. बीच में 80 तक पहुंचा था. Even now we are doing well, 68-70. But जब हम 80 पे पहुंचते हैं, कहीं और restriction आ जाती है, again there is a plateauing. Then is a little dip. I would like to see this graph once we reach the 33%, which is 100,000 or so. I think the travel from 100,000 to 150,000 will be easier.
Faraway Tree Hospitality invites the travel trade to learn more and enhance their knowledge about the Andaman.
I'd like to invite all of you for an informative virtual tour of the Andaman Islands this Friday, 24th July at 11 in the morning. Look forward to seeing you all so that we can dive straight into the beauty of these magical islands. Registration is mandatory.
Goa Tourism is streamlining processes to curb the growth of illegal hotels and improve data collection.
We have already had in our act, we have amended, and we have said that all OTAs or anybody who takes booking has to register with us. At the same time, these OTAs will only take the bookings from this registered hotels. So they on their list, on their websites, they will list only hotels registered with us. Now this also is there in the amendment, and if that comes through, I think definitely the full system will fall in line.
The product, though the hardware of the product would remain same, but the software of the product, by which I mean the services, the efforts that go behind running a hotel would make a complete change. The normal of food F&B rates would be okay, but now the new norm would be sanitization. We have come up with a new endeavor, which is staycation, vacation, and where the room is completely free and the person who is staying with his family has to only pay for the F&B.